Lagoons have basically been in service for 40 plus years with little to no maintenance on the sludge. We did notice that, especially in some of the corners, the sludge was piling up, so we wanted to look and see how much was basically in the centers and throughout the ponds. So we're hoping to dramatically reduce the overall sludge volume that's in the ponds currently, and overall help the water quality going out to the receiving streams. Looking forward for the future of the city, infrastructure is a really big part of that, and making sure you have capacity not just to service water but to service wastewater for future endeavors. We were looking to update the lagoons and get them to where we have more capacity, at least there. Sludge removal is a big part of that project. Everything we do as a municipality, especially on the wastewater side and stormwater side, ends up with nature. And if you look at a pond that has a lot of wildlife in there, then you know that the stream that's receiving that wastewater can also support the same life.